find that special someone, feel your whole life has barely begun. You can walk on the moon, shout it to everyone. Allah knows, Allah knows. When you gaze with love in your eyes, catch a glimpse of paradise, and you see your child take the first breath of life. Allah knows, Allah knows. No matter what inside or out, there's one thing of which there's no doubt. Allah knows, Allah knows. And whatever lies in the heavens and the earth, every star in this whole universe, Allah knows, Allah knows. When you lose someone close to your heart, see your whole world fall apart, and you try to go on but it seems so hard. Allah knows, Allah knows. You see, we all have a path to choose. Through the valleys and civilized, many people living empty lives as they tune their way through day and night. I pray for our world, I pray for every child, I pray for our world to be filled with smiles, like the colors of a rainbow, and not just black and white. I pray for our world to be filled with light. I pray for all of us. I saw a girl with golden hair, and in my heart I wish that I was just as fair. When suddenly she rose to leave, I saw her hobble down the aisle. She had one leg and wore a crutch, but as she passed the smile. Oh Allah, forgive me when I whine. I have two legs. There was so much on my mind in my bed. I turned to my side and I heard a voice say, stop all your whining, heart rate's declining. You've got so much more than most. Look how you're sleeping, how much you've eaten. Don't you know that you're supposed to say sorry and sugar are wonderful things. The praise is to Allah. All across ocean incumbent on all men is the pilgrimage to Mecca, fifth pillar of Islam, in the footsteps of